Let's start. Today we will see how to do an HTTP GET request in Flutter Android. First of all, open the pubspec.yaml file and write the HTTP dependency. Then click the pub get button and wait for the dependency to integrate into the project. Let's see the project structure. In the lib folder, we have two Dart files, main.dart and getRequestModel.dart. Open the getRequestModel.dart file. Here we will define the model class according to the getRequest.json. In the getRequest, we are going to have these many and such fields. This is the constructor. This is the from.json function. The names that you see inside the bracket, in green letters, are written according to the getResponse.json. And this is the to.json function. These two functions, from.json and to.json, are required for JSON parsing. This is the toString method. Let's see the main.dart file. First, we import the material.dart package, the Dart convert package, the getRequestModel class, and the HTTP package. To make using the HTTP package easier, we have given it a nickname called HTTP. Then, we create the stateless widget called myApp in the main function. This is the myApp stateless widget. We create a material app and apply a theme in the build function. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called myHomePage. This is the myHomePage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _myHomePageState. This is the _myHomePageState class. Here we will design our app. These are the data members. Here we have the get URL. Also, we have a Boolean variable to turn on and off a progress loading indicator. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. Here we specify the title of the app bar. The body attribute, we have a container widget. Inside that, we have a column widget. The first child in the column is an elevated button. When the button is clicked, we will make the progress indicator Boolean variable true, so that the progress indicator becomes visible to the user. Then we call a function called doTask, where we will do our HTTP GET operation. Below the elevated button, we have a circular progress indicator, inside a visibility widget. So when the user clicks the button, this progress indicator becomes visible to him until the HTTP task goes on. In the end, we have a text widget to show the result. This is the doTask function. Since the HTTP task may take some time to complete and give the result, we are going to use the async await approach here. To call the HTTP GET call, we just have to write this line, pass the URL in it, and get the response. Once the response is received, we turn off the progress indicator. Then we check if the response is a success or a failure. And then we parse the response and show it in the text widget. Let's run the app. As you can see, when I clicked the button, the red-colored progress indicator ran. And after a few seconds, we get the result from the HTTP GET request. So that's it. That's how you can call the HTTP GET request in Flutter Android. Thank you.